Hello, and welcome to our tutorial on the Open House Connector. The Open House Connector is a tool that you can use to get information from your customers as they attend open houses. You can utilize this tool on an app using a smartphone or a tablet, or you can use it on a desktop that you've brought to the open house. To access this tool, you're going to go to the search bar and begin typing Open House. Then you're going to choose Open House Connector from the navigation. Here you're going to be able to see results of any open houses that you've had in the past with the survey information that was collected. And the next tab here is the survey itself. The survey is going to show you which questions the customers are going to be asked when they use this tool. You can choose to turn those questions on or off. And you can choose to preview the question and the answers that are given. You can also choose to add a new question if there's one that you would like to add to this list. And for the ones that you've added, you can choose to edit them, delete them, or preview those as well. The second column here is for the follow-up survey. So when the customers enter their email, you have the option to create a follow-up survey that they would receive in their email after the open house is over. These last two items here on the top show us how to open up the Open House Connector tool. So if we click on this option, it gives your login credentials and it lets you download in the App Store, the Google Play Store, or to use it in a browser. For purposes today, we're going to take a look at it in a browser. You can use your login credentials here to log into the browser, and then you'll be able to see your open houses and the listings that are currently available for the Open House Connector tool, as well as company open houses if you need to utilize one from the company. So we'll click on this listing to take a look at what your customers will see when they're utilizing this Open House Connector app. This is the screen that they're going to see on the phone or the tablet or the computer that you've brought to the open house. They're going to see a lot of information about the listing branded to you and your company on the left-hand side, as well as a sign-in button on the right-hand side where they can answer the questions for the survey. At the end of filling out the survey, they're going to have a thank you for registering notification, and then they'll select Done. Once the survey's been filled out, we can go back into the system, and we can see that the open house has now appeared under the Open Houses tab. This is then going to give you all of the information gathered by the survey. So if we click on the listing, we'll see the questions that were asked, as well as the percentage of people that answered certain answers on that question. And then we'll be able to see a list of the guests and their contact information, as well as the time that they filled out that survey. The Open House Connector tool is a fantastic way to gather information from guests that come to your open houses while still interacting intentionally face-to-face.